Hello and welcome to this tutorial for the qupath extension for daneelpath. In this tutorial we're going to see how to do the setup for Ubuntu Linux. So as well as Windows, the difference between the qupath extension and the previous daneelpath implementation, which is this repo over here, is that the extension makes everything much more easier to install. So we will cover how to install qupath, how to install the extension, and how to do the setup for the NVIDIA GPU. So the first thing we need to do is to install qupath. So we come here, download for Windows, for Linux, sorry. And here in downloads, we can. Perfect. So now we can place qupath in our desktop. And now we can open the folder. Okay, just one second. Okay, here, qupath, bin, and perfect. We have the qupath installed. Okay, the next step, we need to install the deep Java library that fortunately is already installed for qupath. And next we need to install the PyTorch engine. So here we have the PyTorch, check download, and it's installed. And now we need to install the proper extension for daneelpath. So we come here to extensions, manage extensions, use default, manage extension catalogs, and here we're going to copy this URL over here. We're going to paste it. So we can close this, and now appears my catalog, and you press here and install. So the extension is already installed, so it doesn't appear here. So what we need to do is just to restart qupath. Okay, we had a small cut over here, but whatever. So now in the extensions, we have already the extension with all the graphical user interface and all the template scripts. So the next thing that we need to do is just to press here to include a cloud, which is my institution. And here we have the weights for the Matroxin, the byte connecting, and also the tutorials, right? So what I'm going to do is to download this one over here and also this one over here. So let's see if, okay. So I'm going to extract this one, and I'm going to extract this one over here. So my recommendation to do is to copy the folders and place it on your desktop or whatever you want, right? For example, in this folder over here, we have this, okay? So now what we're going to do is to, I have this project over here, which is the same that I used in Windows. So apply changes, okay, and we have this Matroxin image over here. So we can delete this, and now we can go to daneelpath. Here, graphical user interface unit. We go to browse, desktop. We go here to the folder of weights, and automatically daneelpath is able to detect the Matroxin and the byte connecting model, right? So now we can set that this is tumor. We want that the output to be stroma, okay? And now just the CPU is detected, but we can press run. And as you can see, the neural network is running and the detection is done. So what we're going to do next is to see how to do the proper setup for the NVIDIA GPU acceleration in Ubuntu Linux.